Morning everyone to sunny art studio. Hope you're all keeping well and trying to keep busy, and hope you'd like to join me for another painting challenge this morning. We're going to have a go at a blue tit in watercolour from the garden. So I've drawn it up onto my watercolour paper, and then I've got my masking pen and some masking fluid. If you don't have a pen, you can use one of the little brushes, and I've masked out some of the areas on the blue tit that I might struggle to keep white, which is a little bit on the top of his head, his beak, around his wing here, and some little flecks under his breast, and some little white sections on his feet. You might want to do a few little white bits around under his beak here as well. So I'll just get my pen and do a few little bits to suggest his little feathers. Okay,